in Mosby. Our call is to Jasmine Hampton.
Apologies, I was on the 911. What did you say?
You was what, Senate Clinton report.
I copy.
Two 5-1-23. Replanting dispatch on finance.
10-4. Dispatch go 5-4. Go ahead.
Bruce City is running behind due to the road conditions. They'll be there in a few minutes.
Oh yeah, thank you for checking.
Forward for the main.
Rescue, put me on that headache.
10-4.
Advanced life support, Engine 91, and Med 91, 7313 West Squire Avenue.
For dispatch.
4.
10 for you. Have a great night.
Have a good night.
Three 5-4 dispatch 10-49.
I copy.
4 and 172 or 23.
10-4. I'll get you a plate. We can start a tow for you.
7th Street Command, single story, residential, nothing showing investigating.
Ticket check welfare at Denny's, 4695 South 108th Street. Called in by Waukesha County. They won't be responding. Info's in the notes.
Where's 10-4?
24th Street, Unit 112, Profile 1, Talker 13.
Adam, David, I believe, it's on a white Chevy Malibu.
Okay.
Recently released from the hospital, but he is currently awake and breathing normally and does have a caretaker with him.
That's what you see.
Cover.
Dispatcher, truck 82 is in return.
That's received for gate 2 return. Thank you.
24.
1042, have a good night.
Have a good night.
83 as well, good night.
Have a good night.
37 and 37th Street Command. You can turn North Shore, no cause for alarm.
That's received 37th Street. Command truck 82 has been returned. No calls for alarm.
Engineer dispatch, we have Curtis on scene.
That's received, engineer.
Dispatch, Med 16, stage 90th and Mill.
That's received, Med 16.
Dispatch, engine 16, stage 88 and Lakes. 59, 81, 83. 81, 59.
183.
If you could respond to Motel 6, Franklin transfer, looking for a welfare check on her son, Zoe Britton, who's been frequenting the area. We were just out with him at Avid 2 days prior.
159, Drexel and Main Street.
183 to 13th and Drexel.
For further, caller's the mother. She thinks he may be in room 140. Only suspicion is he frequents that location.
Liverpool, we should have him in-house with some flags.
And 3.
Good night, our dispatch sign off.
9R.
Mary George King, Mary King, I'll be in vehicle 594. Good morning.
Good morning.
181, 10-4. Eighty-one, 86.
Good.
You can respond to the area of 1695 East Forest Hill. 911 abandoned from a dead cell that bounced off that tower. 1695 East Forest Hill.
Putes and Shepherd.
184-10.
10-4.
I copy. 15, did you copy?
I'll put my copy to you.
Copy.
That's affirmative. Engine 16, Med 16 being canceled. Must receive truck A2.
Dispatch 36 is we're available.
Must receive engine 36. We'll put you on it. Dispatch to engine 2. You can stand down. Engine 2, you can disregard.
Eighty-one, 86.
Good.
We received a second from the same number. We made contact with Mark. He's at 695 East Shepherd Hills, stating he's having issues with his phone.
9th Street Command. Profile 1, Talker 2.
One 59.
159.
I misspoke. We were out with Zoe yesterday. He was conveyed to 27th and Layton to catch the bus.
Dispatch engine 2. Are we still reporting to the structure fire? He did not show up on our task.
That's a negative. Engine 2, you've been canceled.
Engine 2, copy.
One 8323.
10-4.
Dispatch center.
278.
David Sam Adams, David Sam 150-585. Good morning.
Can you 10-9 the vehicle number?
150-585.
Copy.
That's for wood frame. Investigating nothing shown.
9th Street Command, 2.5 story wood frame, investigate, nothing shown.
Several disabled vehicles. 10600 Black of Layton. He'll give you articulation in a moment.
10-4.
I'll continue on the any.
10-4.
You help me out with the disabled in traffic.
Go ahead.
You get 22 that actually.
10-4.
For dispatch 23.
10-4.
One or two industrial on a couple.
10-4.
Dispatch from 9th Street Command. We have crews investigating a light haze on floor 2, possibly coming from electrical in the ceiling. We're going to hold all companies on scene.
Dispatch 9th Street Command. Light haze on second floor, possible electrical source. All companies fully on upon arrival.
For dispatch, I'm out with James.
10-4.
Dispatch from 9th Street Command. We're going to return to all companies with the exception of 18s, 30s, and truck 12 to handle. Everybody else is returning.
Dispatch to 9th Street Command. Engine 18, engine 30, and truck 12 to handle. All units responding to 9th Street Command are returned.
D20.
I copy.
Well, I'm 15 in. This will be putting the red roof to check there.
10-4, and if I didn't state, the mother does want to call back.
The first.
Do you need any help over there?
Negative, thank you.
Never.
One 86-1023.
10-4.
34. So we have 50. Subject for negative 53 is pending. 34 is covered. Hey, 187 dispatch.
4.
3, mid 3, 2248 South 33rd Street, profile 1, target 12.
$241, $246, burglar alarm.
Go for both.
Correspondent 6525 South 27th Street, Dudham Sports. Commercial burglary alarm called in by Secure Technology at the main entry door. Keyholder Neil was attempted contact, no answer.
Both copy.
$183.10.
10-4.
Yeah, for this video, 94.9 final address, so for black truck in the ditch on the right side.
Copy. Five dispatch. You can put me in route 351 location.
Milwaukee Police for Greenfield Police Department. Wall call.
Mr. Greenfield, go ahead.
Milwaukee here. Would you be able to meet one of my squads at a motor vehicle accident, property damage only, at 4947 South 27?
Is there a certain reason you need our squad?
The squad is saying that this occurred in Greenfield.
message, dude.
We're both 23.
10-4.
Body close with the Paul's wine and liquor.
10-4. Two 5 dispatch.
2-5?
I got a 24-hour on scene.
I copy.
Car 300, engine 13, 2465 West Chambers Street. Chambers Command, Profile 2, Talk Group 2.
Five 4 to dispatch. 5-4. This will be a C20, and can you show me en route to 354's location, please? I copy.
Go ahead.
C5, we do have permit on file, 2 priors at 26, and we do have number for Neil as well.
I copy. Front door secure. Is key holder responding?
Alarm company got no answer for Neil. I can try him again if you want.
10-4, thanks. Two 7-8 dispatch.
278?
You can sign me out and add me to 27, and then put us in 585, please.
I copy.
Where do you need them?
Truck 62, please respond with engine 10 for an alarm sounding 2433 South 43rd Street. That's 2433 South 43rd Street, 43rd Street Command, Profile 3, Talk Group 2.
Car 300, engine 36 minutes 7, 33, 40. Profile 1, Talk Group 10.
$41.
Good.
No answer for key holder. We do have a few other contacts in-house listed. You want me to try some of them as well?
If you can just leave him a voicemail that it's all secure.
10-4.
Then you can put both squads in 10-8. We won't count this one.
10-4.
It's 1033 dispatch. This is we're returning available.
Message Engine 33, let's assist only.
Go ahead, 211.
10.4 John Robert.
Yeah, copy. Federal Scott's heading to 3-car PDO 794 southbound at the home.
38. Yes, that's 27.
I got 27 ounces on it. 27, they're going to be in traffic left lane. Okay, let's do the table.
10-4.
Traffic turn out.
Good.
Adam Boy George 8351.
Can you confirm 8351?
$351.
10-4. Good.
You can switch me to my late shift assignment.
10-4, switching over to 341.
Desk. Squad Lieutenant.
10-4. Current negative on a 2013 Honda Civic, silver in color, to a subject out of Milwaukee.
10-4.
You put me on that wrong one.
Okay, copy.
That was southbound and the northbound.
Affirmative. It's going to be on the white Jeep.
Copy. Put me on those.
And also, as you got an runway driver per TNC, they self-corrected.
Good night, North Station.
I copy. Dispatch rate.
Good.
10-4.